welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss detailedly about the stocks, especially Reliance, HDFC and ICICI. So this was September month open and this is the close. So almost open is equal to close. That means the straddle sellers would have been in the great profit because of the positive decay. Next we have HDFC Bank currently trending at its support, that is the previous month's support. So yeah, let's take a view in ICICI Bank is drifting downwards. So ICICI is facing massive resistance here, as you could see. The support break and markets are down by almost 50 points. So 1400 was the seller straddle for ICICI Bank. Now I'll discuss detailedly in the OI to find out what can happen for next month, that is October. So normally stocks are having monthly expiry, so yeah, it's a lot of time. So I'll start with Reliance and I'm taking Trading Tech website for the overall OI as well as the day performance. So this is Reliance, definitely profit booking. When you check for next expiry though, it's equal build up. So here resistance is still high for Reliance. Now we have HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. Basically you could see profit booking going on for now this expiry, but when you check for next expiry though, resistance is pretty strong, but today support is been built up here, or you can say PE buy as well because the price action is downtrend. Okay, now we have ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank, again profit booking on the charts, and when you check for next expiry, the resistance is built up, but equally build up OI, open interest in the change in OI, that is for today. I'll check the straddle points. So we'll do a small price action comparison between the straddle chart pattern and the price action. We'll anyway start with Reliance. So this is basically Reliance for today. When you check for open, 70 is the open. So we'll check Reliance first. And 1370 is our open. Now you could see from 16 to 16, so no decay at all for the last week Reliance. So basically I have to tell you one thing, that from 50 it came up to 16, so that is actually a good decay for monthly, but today and yesterday it showed none. So I was expecting it should go till 10 or something, but it didn't do. So it's okay, it's completely up to the seller's point of view. Some might see this as a monthly profit, others might do a daily profit as well, so we have to. So here HDFC from 14 it came to 12, so this is expected because markets are sideways. Now let's calculate the profit. Okay, so I'll calculate the profit for HDFC Bank. So you could see open is 14, close is 12, so it is positive decay 2 points. One lot for HDFC is 550, so this times this is plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so this is definitely a profitable trade for HDFC Bank, though this was the SL hunting zone. Okay, now we'll move on to the ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank price action versus chart pattern. Open was 50, so let's take 50. So here also it was a profitable trade. So all the three started with 70 to 60 points straddle by the month start, but now closing with less than 20, so almost 50 minus 20, 30 points of decay is what they are saying per strike. I'm talking about per strike. Then imagine what would be their profit if they are taking more than one strikes. Okay, so that definitely that's worth it. Now we will see the nearby close range OI, open interest, in the Nifty Trader website. Let's check for Reliance 35 and 5. That's good, but our interest is on the next expiry. So 33.15, already the call writers are on mark for Reliance. Now let's see HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank currently 31 and 10. For next expiry though, it is 30 and 20, so slightly resistance is there. Let's wait and watch. And the last one is ICICI Bank. For current it was 11 and 2k with lots of SL hinting, and 18 versus 4. So for ICICI 18 is huge, so strictly ICICI is facing resistance unless it has post some good news. I think there is a high probability that ICICI can be lower than expected range for the October month. But when you check for Nifty or Bank Nifty, it's pretty stable with the open interest, so I hope price will go up for ICICI Bank because of the stats we see in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now we have Reliance straddle positions to find out for next expiry. We see a lot of profit booking because we have expiry today. When you check for next expiry, it's 1480. So from 1400 to 1480 is the straddle point for Reliance. Now we'll check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank. When you check for straddle point for HDFC, lot of SL, and for 28th you could see 950. Okay, so from 1000 it has moved to 950, and 1000 is still remaining as a strong resistance for HDFC Bank. And the last one we have on the charts is ICICI Bank. So a lot of SL hunting, and when you check the straddle point for ICICI Bank, still 1400 is standing along with 1380. That's it. Thank you.